Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Uzbekistan. This is a very simple thing to do and we can easily do it using the eSIM.app platform. So what you can do is go down into the description of this video below, open up the first link you're going to see, and it's going to open up this platform right here from where we can get started purchasing the eSIM. So make sure to stay till the end of the video as we're also going to be showing you how to install it step by step. But once you open up the link from the description, it's going to look like this. Here we can get started comparing unlimited and fixed plans, and you're going to see that it's usually the best they're offered to go ahead and choose an unlimited plan. As for similar prices, you're going to be getting unlimited data. So go ahead and choose your plan right here, go to the checkout page and choose your payment method from where we can get started finishing up with the purchase. And once you make the purchase, now we can get started with installing it. Here we can go follow step by step on the official eSIM platform on how to go ahead and finish it. So for iPhones, you are going to open up the eSIM application, going to the eSIM page and tap to install the eSIM, after which you can tap the add seller plan option. So by clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to continue with the process. Select the primary plan right here and the eSIM plan, and after which, once you complete the installation, it's going to look like this, where you can go ahead and turn on data roaming and turn on this line. So make sure to turn those two on, as it is necessary for the eSIM to work. You can also go ahead and install it using the QR code. You can open up your device settings, tapping on cellular and clicking the add seller plan option, which is going to enable you to set up using a QR code that you can scan from the eSIM application once you have made the purchase. If you're on Android, it's a pretty similar process. So what we're going to do is open up the application, go into the help page and click eSIM installation. This is going to enable you to click the install eSIM now option. That's going to enable you to go ahead and finish up the installation by following the rest of the steps. And once you go ahead and activate it, you can go into the settings, turn on those two options I already showed you, and it's going to be active. You can also install it using the QR code by going into your device settings, into the connections page and the SIM card manager, clicking to add a mobile plan. And once you finish up, you can scan using the QR code. That's going to enable you to finish up the installation that way, and this is how it's done. So if you want to go and purchase your eSIM today, go into the description of this video, open up the link and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.